Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about the importance of using and learning blockchain. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Why is blockchain important? Business runs on information. The faster information is received and the more accurate it is, the better. Blockchain is ideal for delivering that information because it provides immediate, shared, and observable information that is stored on a mutable ledger that only permissioned network members can access. A blockchain network can track orders, payments, accounts, production, and much more. And because members can share a single view of the truth, you can see all details of transaction end to end, giving you greater confidence in new efficiencies and opportunities. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report. Why is blockchain is important? Brought to you by IBM.com. Thank you IBM for providing us this information. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this short video. The importance of using blockchain. Please like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.